as big increment as they deserve. In the private sector, if somebody is doing better, somebody is doing better, he is rewarded as possible, as soon as it is possible. Are you getting my point? So you find that means every 6 months and 7 months, your performance is evaluated, your performance is evaluated, and after that you are given an appraisal. So it is really a very beautiful thing about private sector. Yes.
In government sector, you will have many facilities. You have military hospital. You have, you can say, canteen facility. You have allowance for travel. If you want to go anywhere, you will have free ticket of trains, flight, and also they are giving incentive for their work. If you want to improve in your job, in government job, there is an exam. They conduct exam for them. So if you want promotion, you can give the exam. You can show your capability, and then you will have the promotion.
Well done, beta. Means, do you see eye to eye with your former speaker? What does it mean? Do you agree with his opinion? He has said, in the government job, exams are conducted for the promotion. Means they are conducted every year. It means you can get promotion every year, one thing. Second, they are also given various kind of allowances. It means they get allowance for the inflation, they get allowance for the travel, they get allowance for the education for their children. So these facilities are sufficient to attract a person for doing government job. Do you agree with his opinion?
Sir, in my opinion, I do not know much about that. But as per my opinion, I want to oppose the government job. As my opinion, the private sector are much better than government.
Yes.
Is much better than government, because you can get the, if you talk about the government job, we get the fixed amounts, and we get the fixed amount. They cannot increase it. And if I talk about the private job, so we get the money about skills, about how much we have capability to do that. If we improve our capability, so we get the higher post. And in the government we do not have. And if you talk about government, so it is very hard to crack this job, to get the job of government. So as my opinion, we easily get the job in private sector as compared to government.
Okay, clap for her initiative. She has spoken very well, means whatever she knows, she has divulged that. She has spoken that. She has said very well, in the government sector you have a fixed salary. It means your salary increases as per the norms of the government. But in the private sector, there is a CEO, there is the owner of the company, which increases your salary time to time. There is no doubt about it. But better, don't you find that in the army you have got an adventurous job? It means everybody can do the 7-hour and 8-hour jobs. But think about an adventurous job. Think about a fighter pilot who fights against various odds in his life. You talk about a government teacher. It means they are fantastic. It means they get opportunity to travel one place to another place. If I talk about the central schools, so means today you are in Bhopal, tomorrow or after 2 or 3 years you may be in Agra or somewhere else. So you get opportunity to travel in the government job, because government institutions are present all across India. Secondly, adventurous jobs are there. Third, he has said very well, means government provides medical facilities to the people. So don't you find that it is always good to be secure than unsecure? Are you getting my point?
But sir,
it is always good to be secure than unsecured. Yes, beta.
But it's hard to get the government job, because there are some people who get cracked the job.
Wow, Shabbat. Well done. She has raised a very good point. It means it is not easy. It is not easy to crack the exam. But better, don't you find that if you want to eat something special, so you have to pay special for it? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Earn karo to yearn karo. You can keep Apple Mobile if you have something in your pocket. For that, you will have to put your efforts positively.
There are some people who cannot crack government job.
Then they will have to compromise better.
Yeah, sir. So because my aunt is also cracked the 3 times government job. If we talk about my aunt, she is in a higher post, but she do struggle.
She did struggle.
She did, sir. She did.
Beta, and struggle itself is a verb. She struggled, you can say. She struggled. Okay. Okay, beta. I will come to you. What do you think? Private sector or government sector? They have spoken very well.
And the government sector, because the government give you many facilities and it increase your income many times. And in my family, many people are a government job, and government give house to, and we will not retire from this job.
Before the retirement.
After retirement, the government give money or pension.
He has raised a very good point. It means what is the biggest benefit in the government job? You are provided accommodation. Means, and this accommodation is given to you till your retirement. And at the time of the retirement, you are given plenty of bucks to construct a new house. It means जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. Are you getting my point? Means while in the job,
it's not true because in a government sector they have provide a HRA facility. If we are getting a HRA facility, they don't provide a accommodation. But in private sector, they also provide a HRA facility for some amount for our accommodation. So it's not a surety as you like for your words.
But sir, you are talking about the multinational companies, you are not talking about the workshop. When we talk about the private sector, so your small workshop to the MNCs come under the
So
category of the
ability,
private sector.
it's overall depend on ability. If I have a ability, then get a MNC job. If I don't have a ability, then.
But don't you find that there is a means if you are talking about the ability, it means only able person can enjoy all these perks. The meaning of this means
Today's life, we all are survive for getting a better job. We are coming here after catching some knowledge from you, from other, with each other, from each other, and then we have a good knowledge. Then definitely we will get a better opportunity.
Ma'am, sir has raised the point means capable person can survive anywhere. Capable person are given perks by all the sectors, whether private, government, semi-government. Means they get perks, they get facilities. What do you think about this? Hey beta. Would you like to speak or would you like to take some time?
Take some time.
No, she will speak. Madhu, try. Don't hesitate.
Can you speak one more time?
My question. He has raised a very good point, means your capability is decisive. If you are capable, you are entertained by all, whether it is private, semi-government or the government. If you are not capable, you are not accepted. It is not about the facilities, it is about your capability. If you are capable, then all jobs are good for you. What do you think about this?
I think he is right. You are capable or not capable. If you capable, so you enjoying all facilities. Otherwise, you are not.
Good.
I am going with a private job because of we are our salary is increasing small little times and government jobs are provide us 20 years 20 years salary we get in private job or 2 years 3 years 5 years.
Okay, it is also good. What do you think about this? Which sector is good, sir? Government or private?
Basic.
Basic. Okay. Let me help you. You find that in the government sector, there is a surety of job. What is the meaning of the surety of the job? The meaning of the surety of the job, you are not worried about your job. Are you getting my point? You are not worried about your job. And when you are sure, you try to apply the innovative methods to improve the institution and yourself. Are you getting my point? मैं आपसे सिंपल सी बात पूछ रहा हूँ, जब आदमी श्योर हो जाएगा ना, तो वो क्या करेगा? He starts doing things in an innovative way. In the private sector, you have targets. You have to meet the targets.
That is not true. We are sure in a government job or a private job. In also, I think in a government job there are a lot of punishment. उन्हें दी जाती है, क्या बोलेंगे?
They are given punishment.
They are given a different punishment like for future of service. For future means it cuts 2 or 3 years service permanently removed from and as like a removal of service. They also removed from the service by our senior officers as. So we can't say it's a surety in a government job. We can't say.
No, if there is no surety, why so many people are yearning for the government job?
But if a person is recruited in a MNC,
So everything depends on work and conduct. If our work and conduct is good, then we are running smoothly in every sector.
Okay.
if they are recruited as fresher in MNC or a person is recruited in government job as a clerk, if clerk will go to a bank for applying a loan, he will surely get the loan only by the government tax. If you are in a MNC company as a fresher, you are earning 20,000. They will check your background, they will check your bank account, your transaction, they will check everything.
No loan is given at the 20,000. No loan is given. Means loan begins from 40,000 to 45,000 rupees.
This is the case. But if you are recruited as clerk, if your salary is more than 20,000, you will surely get the loan.
Here he has raised a point. In the government job, you have prestige. Means you are studying because you want to get prestige in the society. Prestige means honor. Only you understand? Izzat jisko respect. Okay. So means when you are in the government job, you are considered a prestigious person. And you mean everybody does work because he wants to live an honorable life. So this honor is given by the government sector. And he has raised a good point, means due to that prestige, you can get loan from any bank. Two things are there. One, you are in the sector which provides you security. Second, you are in the sector where you are prestigious. It means you are prestigious in the society. You are not going to run away bare money. Prestigious. First point means surety of the job, and because of that surety, you are given loan by the banks. Okay. Anything you would like to say about this topic? Please try to speak better. Please. We will not let you go. You have to speak. I should not be flinty, but I will have to be. But I have to speak loud because they also want to listen to your precious words. Yes, well done, beta. Shabash.
Sir, as per my opinion for government job, sir, I agree. See, government job को crack करना बहुत मुश्किल है.
You have to speak English.
I agree. Government job.
It is difficult to crack.
It is difficult to crack.
The exam of government service.
Exam of government service. But after crack the job.
After cracking.
After cracking.
Or after getting into the job.
After getting into the job, government job is very
Government job proves fruitful. Government job proves fruitful. वो बहुत ज़्यादा fruit देने वाली होती है ना, fruitful. Okay बेटा, you have to tell. Now you have to tell about the government job or the private job.
As per my opinion, government any responsibility you are earn more money in respect responsibility to forget.
Shabash. You would like to say you become able to abide by the responsibility of your family by getting a good job in government sector. मतलब परिवार की सारी जिम्मेदारियां हम निभा पाते हैं. That is called abide by. Abide by means पालन करना. Would you like to speak something?
As per my opinion,
Well done.
government job is very nice job because there are many people in this world. They are work hard. They have to want to getting the government job because sir अच्छी सैलरी मिलती है, अच्छी सैलरी,
Handsome salary.
handsome salary, then मतलब वो होता है हमारे वो इज्जत बढ़ती है.
They get honor in the society.
They get honor in the society.
But don't you find that nowadays, this is a question for all of you, in the government sector, no?
Sir, मतलब there are many responsibility on the shoulders. Then अगर हम मतलब
How are you going to speak it? Responsibilities. They have to shoulder many responsibilities.
सर मतलब
Beta, there is no need to be in hurry. You have to speak as you speak Hindi. Don't be worried about the speech. Don't be worried about the words, grammar and all. You have to speak as you are speaking in Hindi. You can ask me the sentences in Hindi also. I'm going to translate them. Okay. So try to speak, but don't be in hurry.
but sir, then I getting the government job. Then I fulfill every wishes in my child and my parents. Then my parents everybody मतलब other people parents are very excited. Then मतलब सर उनको गर्व होता है.
They feel proud.
हाँ, they feel proud our child.
They feel proud of the child. मतलब बच्चे पर उन्हें बड़ा गर्व महसूस होता है. He feels in the government job. But you are talking about the MNCs, means MSCs